how to fix Patreon Discord not connecting. So to fix your Patreon and Discord connection, just don't use the Patreon app. Instead, head to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Then go to Patreon, sign in. Once you're logged into your Patreon account in your web browser, tap the three-line menu at the top left corner. Now tap Settings. Then scroll left at the top of your screen and then go to Connected Apps. Now find Discord and then tap. Since I haven't connected to my Discord app, so you won't be able to see it on my screen. But if you have connected, just tap Disconnect instead of Connect here. Now, once you do that, what you can do is open a new tab in your mobile browser and then log into your Discord. Now make sure that you're completely logged out, which prevents your browser from using the wrong Discord account when you reconnect. Now go back to the Patreon tab and then tap on the three-line menu at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap Settings and then scroll left to find Connected Apps. Then tap on Discord and then tap Connect. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.